Have a fixed budget. One sure-shot sign of a rich person is that they have a budget and stick to it. Our tendency is to spend money on instant gratification rather than delayed success. This is why it's important to have a budget and stick to it like glue. If you want to be rich, set a realistic budget and stick to it. Eat at home. Cooking food at home is another effective way of managing your money. A meal at home costs 1/3 of what it does at a restaurant. Moreover, you can be sure that the ingredients are fresh and healthy. So, avoid eating junk food and stick to healthy home food when you can. It's good for both your health and your pocket. Travel smart. Going for a vacation? Great. Try walking around town instead of taking a cab everywhere. Discover the city better and save a few bucks while you're at it. And if you're not planning to stay indoors too much, don't book yourself a luxurious room. Get the full value from your hotel, pick a package that covers your breakfast and see if you can get a free airport pickup and drop. Travel smart by cutting down unnecessary costs. A comfortable vacation doesn't have to cost a bomb. Do some research, book in advance, and opt for the smarter option wherever possible. Try the 50-20-30 rule. What's the 50-20-30 rule? Well, it simply says that you must allocate 50% of your income after taxes on needs, 30% on your wants, and 20% on savings. The rule comes from Senator Elizabeth Warren, who came up with the 50-20-30 budget rule in her book titled, All Your Worth, The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. Practice financial hygiene. Practicing financial hygiene is crucial. Rich people manage money well thanks to good financial habits. So, just like you brush your teeth every day, you must take stock of your budget, savings, investments, and expenses monthly, if not weekly.